Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix iCloud stuck on verifying. So first of all, check your internet connection. Verifying requires a stable connection, so make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi or reliable mobile data. Weak signal can stop iCloud from verifying. After that, restart your device. A simple restart can fix temporary glitches. So power off your device, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back again. After that, try verifying again afterward. Now make sure your iOS is updated. Inside settings, tap on General, tap on Software Update, and if there's any update available, install it. Now, after you do that, sign out of your Apple account and then sign back in again. Tap on your Apple ID, then scroll below, tap on Sign Out, wait for a few seconds and then sign back in with your Apple ID. This refreshes your connection to iCloud and often fixes verification loops. If the issue continues, simply tap on General, scroll below, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset. Now select Reset Network Settings. Just remember, this erases saved Wi-Fi password, so be ready to reconnect. That's it. Follow these steps and iCloud should verify successfully. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.